Good morning students. Now today we are having our fourth lecture of chapter number first, that is physical world. Okay, and yesterday we have discussed about the two fundamental forces, that is one is your gravitational force and another one is your electromagnetic force. Now third one which we are going to discuss today is your third one is strong nuclear force. Strong nuclear force. Okay, this is the third fundamental natural force. Okay, now the strong nuclear force binds the protons and neutrons in the nucleus. You know it very well that in a nucleus positive proton and the neutral charge, that is neutron, is present in it. Okay, so the strong nuclear force is just bind the protons and the neutrons in the nucleus. Okay, and in this strong nuclear force, when we have got to discover, then it is evident that without some attractive force a nucleus will be unstable due to the electric repulsion between its proton. You know that in the proton the positive and positive charge repel each other. Okay, and due to which there is an instability has been created in the neutron, and due to that instability we have just know that the nucleus is not be stable. Okay, so for here there is an attraction force between the protons and the neutrons which we have bind the nucleus. Okay. Now the attractive force which we are discussing in the strong nuclear force is not your gravitational force, remember. Okay, the gravitational force in the strong nuclear force is negligible. Okay, there is not any kind of gravitational force of a gravity is acting in the strong nuclear force. Clear? Okay, now a new basic force must be there compared to the electric force. Okay, and so here we can just say that in this, due to the charged particle, the sum of few amount of the electric force will be there, but as compared to it, gravitational force is completely negligible in the strong nuclear force. Okay, now the strong nuclear force is the strongest of all the fundamental forces. This is the strongest of all the four fundamental forces, and we can say that about 100 times it is stronger than the electromagnetic force. Okay, 100 times more stronger than the electromagnetic force. So in this what we can write, that the strong nuclear force, the strong nuclear force binds protons and neutrons in nucleus. Okay, the strong nuclear force is the force which binds the protons and neutrons in the nucleus. Okay, and it is the we can say it is the evident that without any kind of the attractive force the nucleus will be unstable, because here I have just told you that the repulsion force is very much exists, and even we can say that that the first point is this, second the strong nuclear force is the strongest force among all the fundamental forces, and it is about 100 times stronger than the electromagnetic force. Okay, it is 100 times more stronger than the electromagnetic force. Clear? So this is all we can say about the strong nuclear force. Now we are going to discuss about the weak nuclear force. So last, the fourth one is your weak nuclear force. Weak nuclear force. Okay, and in the weak nuclear force appears only in a certain nuclear processes. Okay, it is just appear in any of the certain nuclear processes, such as we can say in a beta decay of a nucleus. When we discuss about the beta decay in a nucleus, then such type of the nuclear force is just be present in the nucleus. Okay, so we can say the weak nuclear force appears only in certain nuclear processes. Okay, so the weak nuclear force appears only in a certain nuclear processes, and in this we can say the processes are your beta decay of a nucleus, such as beta decay of nucleus. Okay, clear? And even in the beta decay of the nucleus, it emits an electron and an uncharged particle called neutrino. Okay, in the beta decay, when it beta decay of the nucleus just emits a uncharged electron as well as an uncharged particle which is called neutrino. What is called beta? Neutrino. This is an uncharged particle emit by beta decay of nucleus. Clear? Okay, and even we can say the weak nuclear force is not weak as the gravitational force, but much weaker than the strong nuclear force and the electromagnetic force. Okay, the weak nuclear force is not be the we can say less strongest force. Okay, means if we had just be discuss about the series of the strongest of who is the most strongest force. So we can say the strongest force is your first strongest force is your strong nuclear force, strong nuclear force. Okay, it is the most strongest force. Then is your electromagnetic force, electromagnetic force. Okay, then is your weak nuclear force. Okay, the weak nuclear force is not weaker as compared to strong gravitational force. Okay, so then weak nuclear force. Okay, and last one is your, here I am writing the gravitational force. Gravitational force. This is the order. So strongest one is your strong nuclear force, then electromagnetic force, third one weak nuclear force, and then the gravitational force. Okay, this is about the weak nuclear force, and the range of the weak nuclear force is we can say exceedingly small, and on the order of 10 to the power minus 18 or 16 meter. Okay, it is in the range of this. So this is about the four fundamental forces which we are the natural four fundamental forces which on which the maximum the entire physics is depending. Okay. So now in your 11th standard we are going to discuss about the gravitational force. Then afterward in 12th standard the EM force we have discussed, and even somehow about the weak nuclear strong nuclear force, or we can say the nuclear force also we are discussing in 12th standard. But in the 11th standard only the gravitational force description is there. Okay. Now moving ahead with the next one is, so now we are going to discuss about the fundamental forces in the nature with the help of the table. So first which we are going to discuss is the gravitational force. Gravitational force. Okay. So in the gravitational force, when we discuss about the relative strength of the gravitational force, so its relative strength is 10 to the power minus 39. If we are just be discussing about the range, so its range is infinite. And about the operates among, so it has been operate all objects in the universe. All objects in the universe. Okay. Second which we are going to discuss is your weak nuclear force, and the relative strength of the weak nuclear force is 10 to the power minus 31. Okay. And if we are just discuss about its range, so its range is very short, or we can say a subnuclear size. Very short or a subnuclear size, that is approximately 10 to the power minus 16 meter. Okay, very short and subnuclear size of approximately 10 to the power minus 16 meter, and it was just be in a some elementary particle. Okay, operate in some elementary particles. Okay, we can say, like we have discussed in the beta decay, particularly the electrons and the neutrino. Neutrino is your uncharged particle. Okay. Now third one is your electromagnetic force. So in electromagnetic force, the relative strength is 10 to the power minus 2, and its range is also infinite. Range is infinite, and it is always operates among the charged particles. Charged particles. Okay. Now last but not the least is your fourth one, and fourth one is your strong nuclear force. The strong nuclear force, and its relative strength is 1, and it is a use range is short, or we can say nuclear size. Nuclear size is 10 to the power minus 15. Short nuclear size 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Okay, and it operates among the nucleons or a heavier elementary particle. It has been used in some elementary particles, that is particularly electron and neutrino, and the strong nuclear force is used in the nucleons and heavier elementary particle, nucleons and heavier elementary particles. Okay, clear? So this is a table for the fundamental forces. This is a weak force. Now it is stronger than the gravitational. This one is stronger than the weak nuclear force, and strong nuclear force is stronger than all the above forces. Okay, clear? So till today we have discussed about it. Now in next lecture we are going to discuss about the conservation laws. Okay, clear? Thank you. That's